This Faceless YouTube channel is just 2 months old at the time of recording, has 114,000 subscribers and rising. It's getting millions of views and is making 38,000 per month. And to see if it's really monetized, let's go to this website, isthischannelmonetized.com. And as you can see, they are monetized. These sorts of quiz videos are super engaging, and the retention rate is always super high on these channels, which are good money makers. In this video, I'm going to show you a method that has not been shown on YouTube before using free AI tools, so make sure you watch till the end, and hopefully you can achieve similar results. But remember, consistency is key. That being said, let's dive into the process. You can see the videos consists of 2 color backgrounds with a border in the middle, and 2 choices to choose from with a percentage showing what people have chosen with some sound effects and background music. Step 1. Use Chat GPT for our script. Now, as usual, let's ask Chat GPT to give us the questions and answers. Use this prompt, you will be able to find it in the description below, and Chat GPT will give you random questions and answers. If you want, you can use this script and make your YouTube short with this. However, don't copy what others are doing. You need to stand out and be different. I'll recommend to niche down and pick a popular topic. In this example, I'll be using superheroes and sci-fi characters. Given its popularity, it will get people commenting in the comments section and boost my video. I will adjust the prompt accordingly. In the prompt, I changed thing in the first line of the prompt to specify what I wanted to give me these answers. Once you have your answers, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 2. Bulk Create. Go to canva.com, sign up for a free account if you don't already have one, and under Templates type YouTube Shorts and choose a blank canvas. Click on Elements and then select Shapes. Create 2 boxes and resize them so each of them covers half the screen. Change the color of each box, and then put a black line in between them and a circle shape. Click on Text and type or place it in the circle. Now add our first choices of text that was generated from ChatGPT into here. For me, it was Superman and Batman. Resize and center it. Then click on the text and click on the 3 dots and select Show Timing. Adjust the timing so the first text shows 2 seconds after it plays and second text 3 seconds. After adjusting the text, click on Animate and select the pop animation. And click on Effects and choose an effect to make your text stand out. I will select Outline. Now add more text and put in your percentages from ChatGPT. Again, adjust the text so it stands out, like we did before, and make it show in the last 3 seconds of the clip, and animate it, and change the color of the text. I've put the higher percentage in green and the lower percentage in red. Play everything to make sure all the text is showing at the right time. If it's not, adjust it accordingly. Now click on Apps, scroll down, and select Bulk Create. Click on Enter Data manually. Clear the table and add 3 more columns. Now copy all the text from ChatGPT from the top of the table, as that is very important, and paste into Canva. I've just done the first 10 for this example. Then click on Done. Now it's time to connect the data. Click on the text and then the 3 dots and select Connect Data. Make sure you connect the right data with each text. Once connected, click on Continue and then Generate. As you can see, all the text has been automatically added. Step 3. Generating AI images. Now let's enhance each clip by adding images. You can use Canva's own images for this, Or you can use any AI image generator to stand out from your competitors. I'll use Leonardo AI. Click on AI Image Generator and select how many images you want generated. The image dimensions 9 by 16 and Dream Shaper V7. Simply type in what you want and put white background in the prompt, as we will be removing it later on, and click on Generate. Repeat this process until you have all your images generated. Download the images you want and go to remove.bg and upload your images to remove the background. Again, repeat the process until you have all the backgrounds removed. Upload them into Canva and place them on your slide and animate them to increase viewer retention. Step 4. Sound effects and voiceover. To add sound effects, you can use Canva's own sound effects or go to pixabay.com and download one from there. Don't worry, it's safe to use on YouTube. Select a clock timer sound effect and adjust its timing to start when the text appears and end when the text ends. Then add a ding sound and align it to start when the percentages shows. Now let's add a voiceover. Go to 11labs.com, sign into a free account and select the famous voiceover Adam. Generate some words and import it into Canva, and place it on the timeline. Now repeat these steps for the rest of the shorts, and when you're done, click on Share and Download.
Would you rather be Superman or Batman?